In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate cables on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. I'm going to do these one at a time, that way the tailgate can still be attached and supported while I replace these cables. You need a T45 bit to remove this bolt that holds the cable into the tailgate. It did drop a little bit, so I'm going to support it and remove it. The strap on the other side will still hold it, it's just, well, a little bit lower. We're not going to be reusing this hardware here, so I'm just going to leave it in. Our new cable comes with a new hardware, so let's install that on this side and then we'll go to the other end. What you want to do is make sure you have the cable facing the right way. As you can see, it goes inward a little bit. That has to face towards the tailgate. You want to put the new bolt through. Now you need to put this washer on. This washer, as you can see, is concave a little bit. When you put it on, you need to make sure that the inner part touches the bolt. If you put it backwards, it'll actually clamp onto the cable, and that's not good. Optional, you can put this little locking washer on. That's going to make sure that the bolt and the washer, or this larger washer, stay mounted together. Okay, let's start threading this in. Make sure that this hook goes into the tailgate as you thread this on, and then the other one needs to go on the cable itself. Once you have it lined up, you can tighten it up. Make it nice and snug. Once that's snug, it is normal for this cable to move around and have play. That is what you want, otherwise it'll get pinched and can't move when you shut and open the tailgate. On this end, there should be a tab here that locks the cable in. This one doesn't have it, so I can just remove it and discard it. This is what that tab usually looks like. It goes on the outside. And to put this new cable on, I have to lift up on the tailgate a little bit so it can line up. Press it on and drop it down. There you go, tailgate cable is replaced. Do the same on the other side. I always recommend replacing them in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.